YouTube, I caught you just the right time. This is Nikki of Zizzy53. I caught Sarah Zizzy53 asleep with a milkshake up her nose. I'm gonna poke her to see what happens. That went in my eye!
Wait, I gotta go pee. Ow, my butt! My butt!
Weren't you going pee?
Oh, yeah?
I covered the cam while you spit on the wall. It was an accident, but it happened.
Has to redo it.
No, but I'm like, yay! I'm like, I'm recording my phone. Wait, it's still recording. Oh, crap. Hey, peeps. Sarah's I don't know. Okay, well, she just, vomited all over my school books and my wall.
Just retry it. We do.
Redo what?
We do.
Whatever,
'Cause I was
bye!